Sir, in the last session, we had very clear discussion about what is unit testing, unit testing. So, which methods we require to use, sir, which module we have to use in Python, like we covered. How many people remember? Just have you? I hope you people may aware which module we have to use if you want to perform unit testing in Python. Anyone can you please tell which module we have to use if you want to perform unit testing in Python? Anyone can you please tell, sir? What is that? Unit test. This is the module we require to use. This is the module we require to use. Unit test. This module we have to use. Next, second thing, which class we have to use? Test case. Test case is the class we have to use, sir. So for this class, we have to create child class. Next, third one, my requirement is, sir, do you know here which methods we require to use? What is the first method? Setup method. Next method, test method. Okay, test method. Last method, tear down method. Are you getting tear down methods, right? Okay. Before every test method, setup method will be executed. After every test method, tear down method will be executed. So setup, test, tear down. These methods you people should be aware, sir. Sir, next term, and after that, there are two more methods I covered, sir. Setup class method, setup class method, tear down class method, tear down class method, like this. So do you know, for every test method, setup method will be executed, tear down methods will be executed. But for all test methods, okay, setup class method will be executed only once. For all test method, tear down class method will be executed only once. Remember this one, sir. So these two are class level methods. These methods are object related instance methods. Okay, we require to override. Okay, these things we discussed already, right? So now I want to go for just have you remembered, right? There are two examples I covered. One is Google search functionality, how it is going to work. Next, hospital management system, HMS login and logout. This functionality we discussed, right? Okay. So now my requirement is, of course, this concept may not require, but Selenium wise also, just only one session, sir. I know. I use Selenium. Okay, to test my project. So even the basic idea I have, like that, my intention is I want to tell such Selenium related also. Okay, like have you? I hope you may aware, sir. Have you remembered, right? Somewhere Google, how you can search Google search functionality in the last sessions somewhere we covered. Have you remembered, right? Yes, how to test Google search functionality. Somewhere we used this one, sir. Have you remembered? If you observe that, this is the Google test functionality. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, I'm trying to take here. Observe that. Observe a bit carefully. Here this is about, but what is the meaning of this one? What is the code? How this code we are going to develop? That part we are going to discuss. So don't worry at all, sir. Here, if I run this code, observe a bit very carefully, sir. What it's going to do that? What this code is going to do? Sir, I want to write a Python test script. Observe. Write a Python. Write a Python test script to test to test Google search functionality. To search Google to test Google search functionality by using Selenium unit testing. By using Selenium unit testing, like this, right? Of course, I want to play tester role. How they are going to write the code, because sometimes testers are going to dance. Oh, we are going to do complete testing, so we are going to write a tester scripts and so on. Yes, no problem. We should be in a position to do that. Yes, I will explain Selenium unit testing of you can use, so that you will get some clarity about this one, sir. So are you able to get right, sir? I want to test whether Google search functionality is working properly or not. What I want to do is observe the manual testing how I'm doing, sir. Sir, just I'm trying to open Just I'm trying to open Mozilla browser, Firefox browser, and then let me type google.com. I'm trying to type google.com. Here I'm trying to enter Sir Mahesh Babu. Mahesh Babu, like can you please search about that? If I search this one, then automatically this is the page we are going to get. And then just the Wikipedia link is there. Let me click that. Let me click that. Now Mahesh Babu Wikipedia page we are going to get. Mahesh Babu Wikipedia page we are going to get. Means that it is a very clear, yes, Google search functionality is working properly, sir. This type of thing is by default considered yes. This type of thing by default considered yes, manual testing. Regarding we didn't use any program to test this functionality. Manually we are testing the links are working properly or not, search button is working properly or not, like we are doing. Such type of thing is by default considered what? Manual testing. Everyone can able to understand, right? Now the same activity I want to do by using a Python program, sir. Sir, observe, this is the program what I have. But how you can write the code? What is the code for that? I will explain with an example. I mean, this code I will explain line to line. Don't worry about that. Sir, just I'm trying to execute this program, sir. 1 minute. Let me close browser. Okay, now here. Now let me go to my location. Sir, py test.py. Like this I'm taking, sir. Py test.py. Now observe a bit very carefully about this terminology, sir. What is the output? I mean, just observe. Browser got open. Browser got open. Next, my hands are completely free from the keyboard and mouse. Google.com is open or google.co.in is open. Now type Mahesh Babu. Yes, and then Google search button. Click Google search. Yes, okay. And then can you please click sir Wikipedia link. Yes, Wikipedia link. And after that, sir, this program is going to be completed. Okay, this browser is going to be closed after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this browser itself is going to be closed. I'm not required to do anything. My hands completely free. Okay, now here it will be closed automatically. Yes, got closed. Now observe the result. Py ran one test in 58.510 seconds. The test result is okay. Okay means a success, like this, right? Have you remembered, right? In the last session, all these things I explained very clearly for you people. Okay, but anyway, the code I didn't explain. The same example we covered, sir. So can I explain a bit related to this Selenium also, so that you people may feel a bit comfortable in the future? If anywhere, okay, testing is required by using Selenium, yes, we should be in a position to do that. Confidence, that clarity you people are going to get. Can I go for that? Yes, friends. Okay, now, sir, very simple, sir. Very simple. If you want to do what is the I want to explain this program. You have to write on your own. I'm not going to do anything. Just we have to write line by line, because existing functionality, forget about that. I want to test line by line. I want to explain. I want to write the code. So first thing, what is Selenium? What is the Selenium? Okay, simple word you have to use. Functional testing automation tool. Functional testing automation tool. So if you want to test the functionality of web application, then some tool must be required. Some automation tool is required. That automation tool is nothing but Selenium, sir. Selenium, QTP, like there are multiple things are available. Selenium is the most popular. Functional testing automation tool itself is the Selenium, right? So in Python, if you want to use Selenium, so you have to import, we have to install Selenium package. Regarding Selenium library, we require to install, sir. Pip install Selenium, like this. You can. So if I'm doing like this, now observe, in my system it is already there. It may be already there, sir. Okay, now in my system it's already there. That's why here, have you observed, right? Requirement already satisfied. Okay, requirement already satisfied, like this, right? Okay, in your system maybe it may be installed if it is not already there. Clear? Any doubt? What is the first step, sir? Install Selenium by using pip command. Pip install Selenium. Remember that, okay? Sir, next, so can you please tell what is the Selenium? Selenium itself is one package, right? This Selenium contain web driver. Observe that very carefully. What is this word? What is this word, sir? Please respond. What is this word? Web driver. Web driver. Okay, driver which can be used. Web driver which can be used. Which can be used to test web application functionality. Web driver is a module. Remember that. Web driver is a module. So Selenium package contain web driver module. Web driver module like this, right? Sir, now my target is, sir, this web driver module contain several classes and functions, okay, to implement, to perform functional testing. So web driver module present inside Selenium package. So contains okay, several, sir, contains several classes and the functions, several classes and functions to test functionality, functionality of the web application, Sir, observe, if you want to use a Selenium, so Selenium module we have to install, I mean Selenium library we require to install. Next, in that web driver module is there. This web driver module contains several classes and functions which can be used to perform testing, right? Any doubt? Up to this, how many words we use? Can you please spell out? Only 2 words. What is the first one? Respond. What is the first one? Selenium. What is the second one, sir? Web driver. Like this, right? Next, if you want to perform testing, first step, sir, we have to launch a browser. Are you getting? Launch. We require to launch a browser. We have to launch web browser. Okay, first we require to do that. So how we can launch browser? This is the very important. Take a bit special care. Selenium related things we should aware. So if you want to launch any browser, you may use Firefox, you may use Chrome, you may use Safari, like any browser. So browser driver must be required. Which is the responsible okay, to launch our browser. Remember this one, sir. So browser driver must be required, which is responsible to launch our browser. For that we require to go for, okay, just the browser driver must be required, sir. How you can get this browser driver? Only one line extra beyond that, except that remaining is the code only. But how to get this one? How you can make it available for your program? Very simple, sir. Sir, do you know anyone? What is the website for Python? Python website, man. What is the official website for Python? No response. Python.org. What is the official website for Django? Django project.com. What is the official website? Django project.com. Okay, what is the official website for, okay, do you know DRF, Django REST framework? So Django REST framework.org. Like that, what is the official website for Selenium tools? Selenium, okay, HQ, something like Selenium headquarters, seleniumhq.org. This is the website, sir. If you want to do any Selenium kind of thing, so seleniumhq.org, okay, like we have to take. Now observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. How you can open this, okay? Yeah, Selenium HQ, seleniumhq.org, Selenium headquarters.org, like this I'm taking. Now observe this one. This is the official website of Selenium, sir. Official website for Selenium. Selenium HQ. Okay. In that download. Observe very carefully. Download. Now here, if you observe third-party drivers and bindings plugins. Third-party browser drivers, not a developer by Selenium HQ. Maybe some third-party persons provided. Okay, like sir, for Mozilla, which driver is required? Can you please read this word? Very important, sir. Can you please read this word? Mozilla, which driver must be required? Gecko driver. Observe, Gecko. Don't feel Gecko driver. Are you getting? Mozilla Gecko driver must be required. Sir, if it's a Chrome, then which thing must be required? Google Chrome driver, Opera, Microsoft Edge, sir, Ghost driver, HTML unit driver, Safari driver, like multiple things are available. Okay, let me go for Mozilla Gecko driver latest. Observe that latest. So first thing, which version you are using, it is a very, very important, sir. In my system, which version of browser we have? Sir, Mozilla Firefox, which browser is there? Can you please tell what is the latest Firefox version? Respond. What is the latest Firefox version? Latest Firefox version. No idea. Firefox, which one is the latest version? Okay, latest Firefox version. Okay, observe. So it is 65.01. It is the latest Firefox version. Remember this, 65.01 itself is the latest Firefox version, sir. Okay, like now assume in my system, which one is there, sir? Here, if you observe that help about the Firefox. Okay, in my system 59.03 is there. Okay, assume what is the current version I have? 59. Maybe in Selenium there are latest browsers may not provide support some features. So that's why I may use the old one, sir. Okay, 59.03. Don't worry, sir. So based on this, I want to use the corresponding Gecko driver. Okay, now here this is the Gecko driver, right? So version 0.24.0. Next version 0.23.0. Next version 22.0. Next version 21. Have you observed, right? Firefox 57 and greater. Yes, you can use this one. Are you getting? You can use this one, like sir. What you have to do is, so in my system I'm using old one. That's why old Gecko driver must be required. If you are going to use the latest browser, then happily you can go for latest version only. Okay. Now I'm taking version 21. Version 21 like this. Just click this one. Now, do you know there are several downloads are there? So for Mac, for Linux, Mac, Windows 32, Windows 64 version. Okay, Windows 64 base, I want a Gecko driver. Okay, now observe this one, sir. It's going to download. Yes, it's already downloaded. Nothing will be there. Just one small exe file you are going to get. So let me open. Yes, this is. Let me unzip this one. Okay, extract. Then automatically, Gecko driver. Sir, in this there is a file is available. Can you please tell what is the name of this file? Please confirm what is the name of this file? Gecko driver.exe. Gecko driver.exe. This is the only file I require. Beyond that, nothing, sir. It's a matter of few minutes, sir. Sir, only this is the file. Oh, don't execute. It is a exe file. Don't execute this one, sir. Now, what I want to take is, so let me copy this file into some folder. Okay, in my system, D colon library is there. D colon library is there, sir. Just observe library. In the D colon library, just I copy pasted. Okay, assume it is already there, sir. Getting? This is the only thing what you have to take. So just create one folder named with the library. In that just place this gecko driver, because this exe file I want to use inside Python program to launch browsers. Any doubt? Friends? Yo, no response. Clear, right? Just only one file, exe file, man. Download exe file from Selenium website and keep in your local system. That's what I did. Beyond that, nothing. I didn't do anything, sir. Okay, well, now let me go for program. What I want to do, sir, first, my requirement is, now listen very carefully, sir. First, my requirement is, let me, already Selenium is installed, right? Okay, from Selenium, import WebDriver. So from Selenium, import WebDriver. First thing what I did. Next, after this one, my next doubt here is, my next point is, I want to launch Firefox browser. Regarding what I have to do, I want to launch Firefox browser. If you want to launch Firefox browser, driver is equal to webdriver.firefox. Webdriver.firefox. Okay, here just observe. Firefox is a class present inside WebDriver module. Remember this one. So Firefox executable path is equal to sir, where we have gecko driver in our local machine. Okay, we remember d : library like this. Here I kept, sir. Now d : library in the gecko driver .exe. That's all. So just whatever downloaded from Selenium website, just I took this one. Sir, because of these two lines, what will happen is your Firefox browser is going to be launched for testing purpose. Any doubt? Yes, complete path we have to provide, Vinod. Any doubt about this one? Can you please just, I didn't do anything, man. So I installed Selenium by using pip command. Next and after that, so I got gecko driver from Selenium website. But anyway, please make sure if based on your what we call browser version, the corresponding gecko driver version must be required. Just take. If one version is not working, try with another version of gecko driver. Already multiple versions are there, I showed. Okay, up to this, let me run. What will happen? We will check, sir. Observe a bit carefully. Sir, let me close already existing Firefox browser. Okay, already existing Firefox browser. Let me close this one. Okay, now here just observe py test.py. Okay, now have you looked once? Only 2 lines I wrote. Because of that, my Firefox browser is going to be launched, sir. Yes, I didn't open. My program is open this Firefox browser. So Firefox browser launched or not? Yes, friends, are you seeing right? Firefox browser launched, right? Okay, it is just launched. Okay, now you have to write the code to perform required testing. Okay, like so, browser to browser driver will be changed, sir. You can get the corresponding browser related driver from the Selenium website. Just I'm showing a sample application with the Firefox. That's all, sir. So now, once we launch the browser. Once we launch the browser, okay, we have to perform several operations on this browser. Something like open so and so URL, close this URL. What is the title of the current web page? What is the current URL? Like you can ask several operations you can perform, sir. Okay, browser browser interaction and navigation, browser interaction and navigation of web pages, browser interaction and navigation of web pages. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. So the first thing what we have to take, you got already driver. Regarding you got already driver, sir. Driver object you got. Okay, Firefox driver object already I got, sir. So now on this driver object, you have to call several methods to perform required operations. Like what is that? Is driver dot get of URL. Okay, if you specify URL, now that particular page is going to be open automatically. Observe that very carefully, sir. So what the purpose of this get command is to open specified URL. Okay, the website, can you please open? Okay, this is the driver dot get. Let me cross check driver dot get of sir Facebook URL. I want to open Facebook. Okay, very simple. Let me open facebook.com. Okay, here just this is the facebook.com. Let me open. This is the URL, sir. Now in my program, here just I took like this. Sir, just these are two lines, sir. What it is doing? Anyone can you please tell what this one is doing, sir? It will open, it will launch Firefox browser and it will open facebook.com website. If you want have a look once, sir. Observe carefully. Here I am taking. Yes, in my system Firefox browser is not already open. My program is going to take care. My hands are completely free from keyboard and mouse. Now observe. Yes, Firefox browser is open, and then Facebook.com is going to be open. Firefox browser got launched, and then Facebook.com is going to be open. For a fact, my application, is it working or not? Clear, right? Okay, well, I mean just up to that. So now, similar to open, what are various other things are available, sir? So sometimes, do you know, just the browser may be open like this. It is not a full window. Have you observed? It's not full window, sir. It's not full window. I want, can you please maximize this window? Can you please maximize this window? So it's about my requirement, right? Driver dot maximize window. Driver dot maximize window like this, right? Driver dot maximize window like so. To maximize, it maximizes current window that web driver is using. Remember this one, sir. Sir, next third one. So to maximize current page window is going to be maximized, sir. By mistake, if it is there, automatically it will be maximized, fully maximized for testing sake. Okay, like next third one, sir. Okay, third. So you open some website. What is the title? What is the title of this web page? Okay, Facebook login or sign up. Facebook login or sign up is the title of this web page, right? Now, if you want to know title, driver dot title, like this we have to use. Regarding driver dot title, if you want to know title, driver dot title we require to take care. Okay. Next, what is the current URL? If you want to know, driver dot current URL. Okay. Now, which URL is currently opened by this web driver? Okay. Happily, you can able to get current URL. Next, can you please refresh? Can you please refresh this page if you want? Then what is the way? Driver dot refresh. Driver dot refresh. Like happily, it is going to be the current web page is going to be refresher, sir. So now I have one small doubt. Instead of calling refresh, if I call refresh, the same page again is going to be open. Instead of that, the same functionality I can take like this. Driver dot get. Get can be used to open the URL. So if you want to refresh, same current web page only I want to, current web page only I have to open. That's why driver dot current URL. Okay, if you pass current URL for the get, again it is trying to open same URL only. Any doubt? Friends, are you in the position to understand? Okay, just this is the refresh functionality. Okay, all these things with a small chota example I will cover. Don't worry, sir. Just aware the methods. Now the next method or property. Next one, sir. Can you please move back regarding in the browser history? What the last page? What the last one? What the last one? Can you please go move back like driver dot back, driver dot back. Sir goes one step goes one step backward in the browser's history. In the browser history, okay, previous opened page by default is going to come, sir. Driver dot back. Similarly, driver dot forward goes one step forward in the browser history, goes one step forward in the browser history. Okay, like what is the next one, sir? Okay, driver dot close, driver dot close, to close current window. Are you getting? To close current window driver dot close. Array browser, can you please close current browser window is going to be open, is going to be closed, sir. Can you please close all windows including associated windows also? Okay, like I want to close all windows, all associated windows. Then very simple, sir. Driver dot quit is the method we have to call. Regarding driver dot quit itself is the method we have to call. That's all. So now to close associated windows also, to close associated windows also, then we have to go for driver dot quit. That's all. These are various things what you people should aware, sir. Yeah, Subramaniam, we can do to open new tab. Yes, there are some coding we require to do that. Yes, that option is also possible. Okay, next up, sir, by using this driver we can open Facebook page. By using Facebook URL, can all related Facebook pages also open? Yes, you can do that. Pushbo. Okay, Ben. Sir, now have you observed, right? These are some methods, some important methods what we have just to navigation kind of things, sir. So to open driver.get, open the specified URL, maximize window, next driver title, driver.current URL, next refresh. Have you observed, right? Refresh means can you please open the current URL again, which is also considered as the refresh. Kalyani, have you observed current URL and URL both are the same? Kalyani. Okay, next driver.back, okay, goes one step backward in the browser history. Driver.forward moves one step to the forward. Driver.close to close current window. Driver.quit to close associated windows. That's it, sir. So even Selenium API also we are discussing, so that the basic idea of Selenium also you people may have in your lifetime. If you are getting the chance, okay, to implement a testing based on the Selenium, you should be in a position to do that. Okay, now let me go for a small chota example. What I want to take is I open facebook.com. Listen very carefully, sir. I open facebook.com. Now my next requirement is, sir, what is the title? What is the title of this current page? Print of title. Print of title is driver.title. So for the Facebook, which is the title, sir? if you want login or sign up itself is login or sign up itself is like this, right? Next, print current page URL, current page URL, okay? Like I want to take driver dot current URL. Regarding driver dot current URL, okay? Like it's going to do that. So now let me execute up to this, right? So that you people can feel more comfortable. Array, can you please launch Firefox browser, open facebook.com, and then can you please display the title of the Facebook and the current URL of the Facebook, okay? Like it's going to take. Now let me close all this. Sir, now currently in my system Mozilla Firefox is not open. Let me open. Let me execute the program. Yes, Firefox is opening, and then facebook.com, it's going to be open facebook.com. That's all. We are not using any close or quit. That's why it is just open. That's all. Now here, let me open the browser. Have you observed, right? Title, login or sign up, current page. What is the current page URL? Okay, like that. Sir, after this current page, I want to open a new website again. Driver dot get off. Sir, I have one website is there named with Durgasoft videos.com. I have one website, Durgasoft videos.com. Yes, it is our website, official website, sir. Of course, it's also ours. Now, okay, Durgasoft videos.com. Okay. Now have a look once, sir. Here, this is the URL open. Yeah. Kushbu, Kushbu is asking, is it possible to sign in into the Facebook or not? Yes, happily you can do that. Happily you can sign in into the Facebook. You can sign in. Next on the login. Next you can create new registration. Write a program to test the sign in page. Is it working properly or not on the Facebook? Yes, we can do that. It is all clear, right? Okay, now observe. Can we get username and password of any website which is auto logged in or already logged in? Subramaniam, that is the through code based on the application we have to do that. Okay, just by using from Selenium you may not. Okay, here just I'm trying to open this website. Now I'm asking what is the title and what is the current page URL. Okay, well, what is the title and what is the current page URL? Sir, after that, my requirement is, sir, now currently, which website is open? Please confirm. Currently, which website is going to be open? After completing line number 8, which page is going to be open? Durgasoftvideos.com is going to be open. Correct, right? Durgasoftvideos.com is going to be open. Now, can you please go back? If I go back, driver.back, now which page will come? Can you please tell if I go back, which page will come? Facebook page. Now print off, sir, very simple. After back, the current URL, is after back current URL is driver dot current URL. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, next driver dot forward after forward current URL, like this, right? Okay, that's all. Now can you please close browser, driver dot close. That's it. So now have a look once very carefully, sir. So I'm trying to launch Firefox browser, and I'm trying to open facebook.com and I'm trying to print its title and URL, current page URL, and then I'm trying to open durgasoftvideos.com and I'm trying to print a title and then URL, and so from durgasoftvideos.com I will move one step to the back, Now after back, what is the URL? Obviously Facebook URL is going to come. Next from the Facebook, I'm trying to move one step to the forward. Now current URL means Durgasoft Videos URL will come. That's it. Any doubt? Friends, all the people are in the position to understand coding wise. Okay? Well, now have a look once, sir. Let me close this browser. Let me run the program. Observe carefully. Yes, Firefox browser is going to be open. Firefox browser is going to be open. And then facebook.com is going to be open. Correct? Facebook.com. And after that, Durgasoft Videos is going to be open. Yes, Durgasoft Videos open. And then again, Facebook.com will be open because of back. Because still Durgasoftvideos.com is loading. Okay, now Facebook is going to come. After that, again Durgasoft is coming. That's all. Browser will be closed. Browser will be closed. That's all. Now observe the code. Observe the output. What we are getting? Sir, title, Facebook, login or sign up, current page, Facebook, and then we move to Durgasoft. Durgasoftvideos.com. What is the title? Durgasoft training videos by industry experts. Durgasoft. Current page URL durgasoft.com. Sir, after back, okay. Sir, Facebook. After forward URL is durgasoftvideos.com. Clear, right? Yes, friends. Everything is automated. I didn't do manually, sir. Just I wrote a program. That program is taking care. Open facebook.com, open durgasoftvideos.com. Like happily it's going to do that. This is just the navigation, browser navigation commands, information related commands. Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Yes. Everyone in the position to understand. Okay, just basic idea. Yeah, Vinod, why not? Just pass the URL from the command prompt or from the file or from the database. It will take from the database or from the file or from the command prompt. It will read the URL and it will open that URL of dynamically provided URL. You can provide. Correct. It's a Python only. Don't feel it is some new language we are going to learn. It is the Python only, right? Kalyani, it is the Python code. Anything you can write whatever the code you are going to do that. You can read the data from the database. You can validate that data. Okay. Now, sir, just we open browser. We launch the browser. Okay. Here, just observe that. We launch the browser. We launch the browser, and then I open a particular web page. Okay, now my requirement is I launch a Firefox browser. I open google.co.in. Okay, well, now my question is, in this web page there are several elements are there. Regarding in this web page, there are several elements are there. What that? Here one text box is there. Here Google search button is there. Sir, I'm feeling lucky. It is also one button. Here sign in button is there. Here also some drop down, something like images, a link is there. Gmail link is there. Like all these are hyperlinks are there. Do you know these things are by default considered as web elements? Web elements. These things are by default considered as what? Web elements. So if you want to test the functionality, you have to find, you have to locate these elements in the web page. Remember this one, sir. So we require to find these elements in the web page, in the web page. Are you getting? So how you can find these elements in the web page? So how to locate web elements? How to locate web elements? This is about my requirement, right? Okay. If you want to locate web elements somewhere, have you remember, right? jQuery, DOM, like get element by name. Yes, just like in JavaScript. Have you remember, right? So DOM especially get element by tag name, get element by, okay, like here in Selenium, to identify those, there are several methods are available. Don't worry, sir. What those methods is very simple. Very simple, sir. Do you know some elements can be identified by name, by CSS class, by link text? Like there are multiple ways. It is a link text. Array Gmail link text is there. Identify that. Here, do you know some maybe CSS or maybe name? Like there are multiple ways are there, sir. So if you know ID, how you can find driver dot find element by ID. Driver dot find element by ID. If you know ID, just pass that ID and call this method, then it is going to identify the corresponding elements. Once you identify that web element, now you can perform required options, enter some data or click, like whatever operations you can perform based on that element. Happily you can do that. First identify. Okay, this is one method we have. Next, do you know instead of ID, you can identify by name also. By name also, you can identify by XPath also. But anyway, all these things in our Selenium we require to discuss. But here just get the basic idea, sir. By XPath. Next, by CSS selector. By CSS selector we require to do that. Okay, by CSS selector we have to do. Okay, CSS selector. Next, by link text. By link text. Link text. Okay, like we have to do that. By link text, whatever maybe text we have based on that. Like there are multiple methods are available, sir. Okay, all these methods, you know, just how to locate web elements, how you can do that like this, right? Okay, this is one style. Multiple methods based on our requirement you can use. But anyway, we are not doing Selenium course. Just we have to get the basic idea about Selenium. That's fine. So some of these methods I may use in our application, then you will get much clarity. Okay, this is one way. But the same here, do you know method names are changing from element to element or not? Can you please tell? Method names are changing from element to element or not? Yes. Okay. By ID, by name, by XPath, like. But there are some more convenient methods are available, sir. Driver dot find element. Driver dot find element by ID. By ID, comma ID, sir. Do you know method name now it is a fixed. Instead of this one, you can use this approach also, no problem at all. Okay, find element when by which one? By ID. What is the specified ID? Like this. Okay, same way instead of by ID, now you can ask name. By name, sir. By name, whatever the name you have, can you please specify? Next, by ID, by name, by link text. By link text. Okay, here I require to take text, sir. Here I require to take text, link text. Next up, by CSS selector. By CSS selector. Okay, like whatever the selector you have, CSS. Okay, like next up, by XPath, like multiple methods are available. But what is the difference between These are set of methods and this set of method both are doing the same. But here method name contain the locator name also. But here method name is always fixed. First argument is going to talk about locator, which type of locator you are using, okay, to identify web element. Okay, like slowly once we are starting our application, then you can get much clarity. Don't worry about this. How you can use these methods, how to identify locators, like a basic idea I will provide. Just aware these methods, these type of methods are there. Everyone in the position to understand? You respond. Okay, well, now my requirement is observe that write a program, write a program, write a Python test script to test Google search functionality by using Selenium unit testing, sir. This is about my requirement. Okay, now how I can do that? This is about my requirement, right? So I have to use unit testing under Selenium. I require to use unit testing under Selenium to test the Google search functionality whether it's working properly or not. How you can do that? Now observe a bit very carefully about this one. So first things are Selenium WebDriver. I have to import from Selenium import WebDriver, from Selenium import WebDriver. Okay, first the thing. Second one, you want to use unit testing. You require to use unit testing. That's why import unit testing. Import unit tester. Okay, well. Sir, now my requirement is, sir, I'm taking class Google search demo, class Google search demo of, sir, have you remember, if you want to implement unit testing, you require to write a class that should be child class of, I forgot the name, please confirm. It is the child class of which class? Good. Respond all the people. It is the child class of which class? Okay, unit tester data tester case. Okay, well, now can you please tell which method we require to use first? Okay, which method? If it is the unit tester, three methods: setup, test, and tear down. So first setup, def, okay, setup self. Okay. So first things are, anyway this method will be executed first. Launch Firefox browser, and then open google.com or google.co.in. This is about my requirement, right? Sir, what is the way? Okay, here just I'm trying to take driver is equal to WebDriver dot Firefox executable path. Just now, have you remembered, right? Just I showed executable path is equal to the colon. Yes, friends, where it is? The colon. The colon. Okay. Here, just the colon library. Okay, the colon library slash. What is the driver name? I forgot. Anyone? What is the driver name for Firefox we require to use? Good. What is the driver name? Gecko driver.exe. Okay, well. Now, sir, what happened is, so Firefox browser launched. Okay. Now driver dot get off. Sir, which one you want to open? Okay, http google.com I want to open. Okay, and then can you please maximize window, like maybe it may not maximize by default. Driver dot maximize window, like this I told, sir. That's all. So setup, it's very clear to implement a testing. Whatever prerequisite is there, open the browser and open the website. Up to that is the prerequisite. That's why setup method is going to do that. Any doubt? Please confirm. Up to this, not required to worry at all. Everyone can able to understand. Nothing will be there. Setup is ready. Now my next step, def. What is the function? Test the function. I'm taking, sir. Okay, now, sir, what I have to do? Take a very special case, sir. Okay, print of test method execution. Just for flow purpose, I'm taking, sir. 1 minute. Let me execute after this. But to execute unit tester, you require to call unit tester dot main. Let me run this one. Let me close the browser. Okay, let me run this application. If the browser is going to be open or not? Yes, perfect. Browser is opening. If the google.com is going to be open or not? Google.com is going to be open or not? Yes, perfect. Up to that, it's working. Google.com. Next, so test method execution. Nothing, I didn't do anything. Run one test like. Okay, well. Now, after open Google.com, now what I want to take, what I want to do, sir. Here, Mahesh Babu, like this I have to type, sir. Here, Mahesh Babu, just I want to take. Sir, what you have to do, sir? Just 1 minute. Google.com. Sir, very important. Google.com. I open, sir, Google.com. Here I require to type Mahesh Babu. To type Mahesh Babu, first you have to identify this web element. Are you getting? So identify this one and then you add the text Mahesh Babu like. How to identify? Right click, inspect. Observe very carefully. Right click, inspect. Right click, inspect. Yes. In this, if you observe, this is the thing, sir. In this, are you seeing anywhere input class type is equal to like it is the Google search? Okay, name. Are you seeing name is equal to Q? Name is equal to Q like this, right? So it's a very clear name locator is available to identify this element. Name is equal to Q. Name is equal to Q. Q is there. What I want to take is how to find the element by name. What is the method we require to use? Please tell. Driver dot find element by name. Regarding driver dot find element by name. Which name, sir? Anyone can you please tell which name? Hey, please respond. What is the name? Q is the name. Q maybe means query. Maybe there. Yes, I find the element. Sir, once you find this element, you have to write some data. Are you getting it? You require to write some data. You have to type some data. Mahesh, like this. This is about my requirement. Mahesh Babu. I have to type, sir. So how you can type, sir? Once you find this element dot send keys. Are you getting? Send the keys of which one you have to take? Mahesh Babu. Like this we have to take. Observe very carefully, sir. So it will launch Firefox browser. Next, it will open google.com, maximize window. After that, it will identify a text box, and in that, can you please provide Mahesh Babu is going to be identified. Any doubt? Respond, friends. Now, up to Mahesh Babu, typing up to Mahesh Babu is very clear. Now, let me cross check. Is it happening or not? Let me execute this code, sir. Firefox browser should be launched, and then google.com should be open, and then in the search box, Mahesh Babu should be typed. Is it happening or not? Okay, good. Up to that. Next, Mahesh Babu, is it typing or not? Okay, not typing means clear indication somewhere a small problem. Nothing. These things are very common problems only. Maybe small syntactical problem. So anyone, can you please guess what is the syntactical problem we have in this? Okay, very simple, sir. You are using driver. Driver. This driver is the local variable of setup method. Driver, local variable of setup method. How this local variable you can use inside a tester? That is the problem. Regarding driver is the local variable of setup method. How you can use this driver inside tester? Maybe that may be the mistake. Let me check. Yes, sir. Here name error, name driver is not defined in line number 10. In line number 10 means this driver is not defined. Yes, I guessed correctly. What I want to make this variable global so that everywhere you can use this one. What we have to take? Global driver. Now driver variable will become global, which is available in the remaining methods also, so that our problem will be solved. Okay, excellent. Let me execute this code again. But all the people are in the position to understand. Okay, open, and then should be typed Mahesh Babu like this. Perfect. Okay, typing. It's working, man. Mahesh Babu up to that. Okay. Now after typing Mahesh Babu, I have to search. I require to search Mahesh Babu. I require to search. Do you know this? We have to identify this search button. This search button, and we have to click that. Regarding, we have to identify this one, and we have to click that. Okay. Now save side. Import time. Import time. Now after typing Mahesh Babu, time dot sleep just 5 seconds I'm waiting, sir, because maybe loading all the remaining options and then Google search, it may take some time. That's why just waiting for 5 seconds. Okay, Google search, what is the locator? How to find locator? How to find locator? Please confirm. Google search, right click, inspect. Okay, now are you seeing any locator value, next area label name? Oh, here also name locator is there, sir. Name locator is there. What is that name locator is? I hope this is the name locator. BTNK means button like a BTNK. Okay, copy. Now can you please find element by name? Are you getting find element by name? Same driver dot find element by name. What is the name? Is BTNK. Are you getting name? BTNK. Okay. So now it is the button dot click that's all. Okay, now find element by name dot click is going to be open. Okay, it will be click. If I click this one, then automatically this page should be open. So up to that, my program is doing or not. I want to check, sir. This is the code BTNK like. Yeah, Shalabharti. If multiple BTNK, then there is another unique identification XPath is there. By using that XPath, unique identification is possible. Don't worry. So best way is the XPath. That is the most commonly used in the Selenium. Okay. Now observe, there is a way. Have a look one. Is it going to be happen up to this or not? My hands are completely free from the keyboard. Open the browser, Firefox. Open the google.com. Google.com is open, and then type Mahesh Babu. Yes, 5 seconds waiting, and then click Google search button. Google search button. Yes, Perfect. This page, it's coming. Clear, right? Now, so compulsory we have to click on search option, then only it is going to accept. Kushbo. Now, I want to open Mahesh Babu Wikipedia link. Remember this one. I want to open Mahesh Babu Wikipedia link next. So what I want to take is, what is the, sir, this is inspect element. Inspect element. What this inspect element is coming? Can you please cross check, sir? Is it anchor tag? No, it is not anchor tag. H3, sir, it is LCT201B, like this. Do you know this one is this one itself is CSS class? Regarding LC20LB is the CSS class. What I want to take is, okay, after open, now just wait for 5 seconds. Wait for 5 seconds, because so that I will see is happening. Next, driver dot find element by class name, CSS class name, sir, by class name. What is that class name, sir? This is dot click. Are you getting right? So driver dot find element by class name LC20LB dot click, like this we have to do. Any doubt? Okay, now it is going to be open. That's all. After that, so just so the page I want for 10 seconds. Okay, now after that, yes, DEF. Okay, DEF. Okay, now what is the next one, sir? Tear down of self. I'm taking tear down of self driver dot close. That's all. So a simple functionality testing of Google search. Okay, just open launch Firefox, open google.com, and then maximize window, just identify search box, type Mahesh Babu, and then type Mahesh Babu, and then click that. Next, after that, there is one web link is there, namely with Mahesh Babu Wikipedia. Can you please click that, and then just wait for 10 seconds. After that, here down, can you please close that browser? Okay, this is a small test case I'm writing to test Google functionality. Clear, right? Vinod, no, it is not anchor tag. If it is anchor tag, by link text we require to use, but it's not anchor tag. That's why it won't work. Okay, now have a look once, sir. Sir, let me close all. Let me run again. Now complete functionality almost we implemented. Have a look once. Okay, browser launched. Next, google.com will be open. Yes, and then it will type Mahesh Babu. After 5 seconds, yes, and then after 5 seconds, Google search. Yes, after 5 seconds, Mahesh Babu Wikipedia link will open. Yes, it is open, and then after 10 seconds, this browser will be closed. After 10 seconds, this browser window will be closed. Yes, closed. Now the result will be printed. Yes, ran one test in 52.358 seconds. The test result is okay. Now everyone can got the basic idea how you can use a Selenium to perform Okay, testing of the web application, how you can use. Next, by using unit testing with Selenium, how you can test the functionality of Google search application. All the people are in the position to understand. Yes, friends. Selbharti, mostly Selenium meant for testing purpose. Okay, not for web scraping. Web scraping, there is a separate API usually we are going to use. That's it. So now I will go for one more application so that you may get some clarity. One more application I want to do that. What that application is, have a look once. So testing HMS login logout functionality. Testing HMS login logout functionality by using unit test framework and the Selenium. This is our own application, right? Testing HMS login and logout functionality by using unit test framework and Selenium. How we can do that, sir? Very simple. Okay, here I'm trying to what it means. Let me open one website is there. Okay, here our own Selenium by Mahesh.com. Okay, earlier I executed this code. So I have to open this website. I have to open this website. First activity I have to do that. So I require to open this website. And then here HMS link is there. Of course, HMS, I don't know. It may be link or button. I don't know that. You have to click. Yes. After clicking, you have to provide username, admin, and the password. Admin like this. Default. Test the username and password. Login. Yes. Successfully login. Are you getting it? Is successfully login, sir. So after 5 seconds or 10 seconds, if I click logout, automatically should be logout. So for this, what my requirement is, can you please write the, okay, sir, testing HMS login and logout function. Can you please write the test script by using unit test and Selenium, sir? How you can do that? Okay, let me go for that. Sir, here one small doubt. How many tests I have to test? Login I have to check, and then logout I have to test. Are you getting? Login I require to test, and the logout also I require to test. Two tests I have to do. But how many times I have to open the browser? For every test separately, we are not required to open the browser. Only one time. If multiple tests are there, but for all the tests of one-time activities are there, then we require to go for class level methods. Class level methods like setup class. Are you getting setup class? Next, tear down class, setup class, tear down class. Like these methods we require to go for. Remember that setup class, tear down class. Like these methods we require to go for that. Any doubt? Are you getting? So because two tests are there, but browser I require to open only once. Browser I require to close only once after completing all the tests. That's why. So what we have to do? Class level methods are recommended for this application. Okay. Now, sir, observe everything is the same. HMS login logout demo. HMS login logout demo. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, it is the same. Now let me go for setup class method. Okay, class level method. At the rate class method, setup class CLS. Are you getting setup class CLS? Okay, open global driver, open launch Firefox browser. Can you please open which website? Selenium by Mahesh.com. Okay, can you please open this one? Selenium by Mahesh.com. And then maximize. Okay, that's all. So now, do you know here? Just observe. So setup class completed, sir. Now I want to test the login functionality. What I have to do is def test the login. Test the login. Okay, like option. Because method name, test method names should compulsory starts with the tester. That's why tester like this. And then what is my next requirement is, so already this page is going to be open. Now once I open this page, if you observe Selenium by Mahesh.com, if you observe, now I have to click this one HMS. I require to click this one. I have to click this HMS, right? If I want to click this HMS, okay, click this HMS, okay, like what we require to do. So first we have to identify this element. We have to find this element. Inspect. Okay, sir, it is the hyperlink anchor tag. Have you observed, right? Anchor tag. If it is the anchor tag, how you can find by link text. Link text is HMS, right? Now, sir, open driver dot find element. Sir, I want to do find element by link text like, but in the second set of find methods, I want to find. Have you observed? Driver dot by dot link text comma text. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Find the element by link text followed by some text. Which text, sir? HMS is the link text. Okay, but by where it is available, sir? Okay, from Selenium dot WebDriver, from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by import by. Okay, like that. So that you are familiar with other set of methods also. By link text HMS like this, right? Okay, next what I have to take, once you find this link, can you please click this link? Click, that's all. If I click HMS, then this page is going to be open. Okay, well, sir, after open this page, I have to provide username and password, and then login button. I have to provide username and password, login button. So to provide username, let me look at this element. So first, up to this is going to be happened or not, let me cross check, sir. Okay, here let me cross check, so that you people may feel comfortable. Now, sir, let me execute this code. Can you please observe? Up to that, is it going to be happened or not? Okay. Now Selenium by Mahesh.com, and the HMS link should be clicked. Yes, perfect. It's coming, sir. It's coming up to that. Okay. Now my requirement is enter username and password, and then login. So three elements I have to locate. First, this text box I have to locate. Next, this text box I have to locate, and then click login button. This text box, how you can locate? Sir, inspect element. What is that? If you observe, can you please confirm? By using which locator you can identify this text box? Based on this shaded line, please respond. Based on this shaded line, by using which locator you can identify? Yes, by using which locator we can identify? By using which locator? To identify text box, here which locator must be required? Name, correct? Name, here name, username, like this, right? Okay. Now next, even password is there. Here password also. Have you observed? Password also name only. Okay. Here name, this is the username, and the password is also name only. Okay. Both the things are identified. Okay. Well, sir. Now let me write the code. Okay. After clicking, just I want to sleep for just 5 seconds before entering username and password, so that I will get. Sir, by here, do you know? It is a name. Name. That's why find element by name. By name. By name. What is that? User name. Username, sir. Find element by name. Username. Identify. Identify username. Dot send the keys. Dot send the keys of. Do you know? Dot send the keys of what we have to take? Admin, like this, right? Okay. By name, username, dot send the keys of admin, like this we have to take. Next, by name, password. By name, password of admin again. Okay. Identify text box named with username and provide admin. Identify text box of password. So, and then provide admin. Okay, well. Now, after providing username and password, login. Let me click login, inspect element. Yes, have you observed, right? Can you please now log in? Which locator we require to use? Again, please confirm which locator we require to use. Again, name locator. That's why what I have to take, driver dot find element by name, submit dot click. That's all. Okay, dot click. Now what will happen is, so by entering username and password and a click is going to be happen. Yes, up to that, is it working properly or not? I want to test, sir. 1 minute. I will look once. Let me run our code. For a fact, it's going to be launched, and then it should click HMS. Yes. After 5 seconds, provide username, password, and then click username, password, and then click. Yes, perfect. Login functionality without facing any problem, we are getting properly. What is the next thing I have to test? What the next one? Log out. Sir, after login, better to keep at least 10 seconds pausing. Okay, because login page, better to keep. Immediate logout is not recommended. Now I want to implement logout functionality. Okay, what I want to take, test the log out. Now already the control came to this page. So in this page, logout link is there. This logout link, inspect element. Yes. Okay. Is it the anchor tag or not? If it's the anchor tag, then find the link text. Okay. Log out is the link text we have to use. Okay. Driver dot find element by link text. Already it is there, sir. Okay. Driver dot find element by link text. What is the link text? Log out dot click. Logout dot click. That's all. It is going to be logout, sir. Okay. Next, sir, first test to test login functionality. Second test to test logout functionality. After that, after logout, just wait for some 10 seconds or 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then can you please close browser. Okay, if you want to close browser, again class method we require to do. What is that method is? Okay, can you please guide, sir? What the last one? Cleanup activities. Which method we require to implement? I forgot the name. Which method we require to implement? Okay, tear down class. Okay, like we have to take now here driver dot close. That's it, friends. This is the way, very simple, how you can test login and logout functionality of HMS application. I don't think you are going to face some difficulty to understand this code. Any doubt? Can I test this functionality? Okay, now, sir, here, let me execute this code. Firefox browser should be launched. Yes, after 5 seconds, admin login, and then after 10 seconds, log out. After 10 seconds, log out. Log out. After 10 seconds, browser should be closed. After 10 seconds, browser will be closed. Yes, perfect. Now, ran two tests in 51.392 seconds. The status of test case is a success. Okay. If any person who is coming from Selenium background, oh, we are going to perform testing very well. Okay, end-to-end testing, we are going to do that. Okay, like if any person is asking, Array, I have already basic idea in that, like you can tell. Nothing. This is nothing but Selenium with Python, sir. Okay, don't feel it is a very difficult, like nothing. It is the Selenium, official Selenium code only this is. Unit test with Selenium, how they are going to use a tester level, just this is the code. Clear, right? So now, if any person having in your profile, you can key involved in. So Selenium testing with Selenium also. So just basic idea. Okay, what is the web driver? How to open the launch? How to launch browser? Next slide. Clear, right? Okay. In the next session, we will come up with some more extra things. Okay. So there are some limitations are there with the PyTest. There are some limitations are there with the unit test. To overcome these limitations, we should go for next level PyTest. What those limitations? How you can overcome those limitations with PyTest? These things I will discuss. Don't worry, sir. Okay, and Django application, how you can test, and Python, what we call DRF application, how you can implement testing. All those things we are going to discuss. Right, sir? Thanks. We will meet in the next session for continuation.